Hello. In this video, what we are going to discuss is how should we change the tab color in a mobile phone. Now, this setting is very specific and it only works in an Android phone. Whenever your customer is basically viewing your e-commerce store on their mobile phone, which is an Android phone, the tab color can be changed to a different color altogether. So how do we do that? Let's see. So we go into store configuration, we go into user experience, and then we have to go to address bar color, and we can change the address bar color by here like such. Now whenever somebody goes into your e-commerce website from an Android phone, they'll be able to see this color as their tab title color. Obviously we cannot show you how it works on the tutorial right now, but you can try with it and see how it works. Thank you.